What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is my part 2 video of where I started in 2021. All right, so if you watched the last video, you'll see where I had more cabbage plants. I only ended up with 2, and the dashing plant is still doing its thing. All right, the last time in the last video you saw where the tomato plants, they were just blossoming. They weren't open as yet. And now, as you can see, blossoms are on the tree as well as tomatoes. So I'm super excited. I was super excited right here. This video was recorded in April, on April 13, 2021, and today is May 11, 2021. So we did tomato plants in 2020. However, they did not make it. I mean, the tree grew, I'm 5'6", and the tree grew past me, and it was not fruitful. So, from the moment I planted these, I saw how they were coming up really fast. So, I had strong hopes for them, and I was not disappointed because, I don't know, when I saw those tomatoes coming, I didn't even see the first one. My mom had to show me. But, I was excited. I was excited. And we also prune these tomato plants. We prune them. So between the stem and the leaf, you find a sucker. All right. The sucker is what we remove right here. So when they're this small, that's what we look for when we come out in the mornings. We look for these, and we just pull them out. I can't say that it didn't help these plants, because as I said, we started tomato plants in 2020, and we didn't do this at all. We didn't do this, and the tree was not fruitful. All right. So I believe that it helped these plants to be fruitful. So this is just a little glimpse of what everything looks like. So please stay tuned for my new videos of what the garden is now. All right, so I started this compost bin in 2020, but I got impatient and I just started to throw kitchen scraps in it just the same, and just left it out like this. I have 2 dashing plants, so in my new videos you will see how those plants are looking. Those tomatoes, they weren't, as I said in the last videos, I just used whatever was in the kitchen. In that, whenever I throw tomatoes in it, they would just start to grow from the pan. In this container I have cabbage plants, so you can also see my new videos how that's going. All right, so guys, as I said, stay tuned for my new videos, and I want to thank you for watching.